Hello everyone, it's Hanny. I made a few journals lately. I love making junk journals, and well, I thought let's do a flip through of all four. The first one I made was this one. It's a junk journal, and it's made of a old book cover. And it's a very simple one, a thin one, and I used the old backing pages. How do you call those things? Well, those pages were in it already, and it's a simple junk journal with coffee dyed papers, all kinds of old book papers. I put a few embellishments in it, an old card, like I said, painted papers, ledger and grid papers. Very simple, very basic, but I love making them. Just uneven pages, not all the same height and width. A few embellishments, a few pockets, some cards. And this is just one signature sewn in the whole old cover. I don't know how many pages. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15, so 60 pages, 15, and then 4 times 15 is 60. That's number one. This was the second one. This was bind in the spine. And this one is a cupcake stitch with 5 signatures of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets. So 6 times 4 is 24 pages. Is that right? Yeah. So 24 and 5 times 24, well, you figure it out. Cupcake stitch. This is only coffee dyed paper with lace patterns. You see, very simple. A few book corners. This one too, book corners. And this is number 3. This is an old cover too. I made the back because I only had the front. Also a cupcake stitch with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 signatures of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28. Yes, 28 pages per signature. I put a few embellishments and in it a few pockets. Wallpaper, book papers, ledger paper, grid paper, coffee dyed paper with belly band and a journaling card. All kinds of papers. An envelope. Each signature starts with wallpaper, so you have a nice even spine. Well, all kinds of paper, like I said. Some lace coffee dyed papers and a few embellishments in it, a few pockets. This is a envelope. And let's see if there are a few more embellishments. I think not. No. Oh yeah, here is a pocket. And here is a pocket with an envelope in it and a little tag. And that's it, I think. Yes. And this you saw. So that's number 3 and number 4. That's not an old book cover, that's made from 6x6 pages. And I saw a video of, oh, who was it? G. Kerr, I think. G. Kerr, I don't know how you say it, yes. Well, I will look it up and put a link somewhere here or in this description. But she made, well, this kind of, how do you call that? Folio? I don't know how you call such a book, but I liked it very much to make it. It's from 6x6 papers, and she, well, she explains exactly how to make it. So very nice to do that. Very beautiful. With the tags, or with a tag in here, and here are tags and cards. I use some lace. Here is a big tag in here with flip outs and all kinds of thingies and cards. I love making journals. There is some kind of booklet in it. And here a flip out. You can write in it, put photos in it, little cards, whatever, memories. Here a pocket and a flip out. Here a pocket with a tag. So I have to flatten that again. So, and here flip out. So I thought, let's show it to you, what I did, what I made. And I'm still busy, but I'm not making that much videos anymore. It is too hot these days. It's very hot outside. So, and it's hot in my craft room. So thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you soon again. Bye bye.